The 10.26-inch wireless double-din dashcam offers seamless integration with both Apple Carplay and Android Auto, providing an effortless connection to your smartphone. Equipped with both front and rear cameras, this device ensures optimal safety by allowing you to record your journey and providing a clear view while reversing. The high-definition screen of 10.26 inches delivers vibrant colors and adjustable brightness, enhancing visibility in various lighting conditions. This dashcam is versatile and suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from recreational vehicles to heavy-duty trucks, thanks to its compatibility with 12 to 36-volt direct current power systems. The product is backed by an attentive after-sales team that is ready to address any issues that might arise, ensuring customer satisfaction. The dashcam's dual speaker system not only provides clear navigation instructions, but also lets you enjoy music directly from your phone.